Hello for this. I'm here with this amazing ring donut recipe. So let's make donut today. In a bowl, I'm going to add some flour, sugar, yeast, salt. Mix that, add in on your egg, water, vanilla, and butter. Give that a good mix and then you begin to knead. The secret to a good donut is in the kneading process. You need to knead this for about 25 minutes or 30 minutes until you're sure it's palatable enough and ready to go. So after kneading, you're going to roll this out. It shouldn't be too thin and it shouldn't be too thick, just in between. Cut out the desired shape using your donut cutter, any round object in your kitchen, and then lay them flat on your baking tray or any flat surface for it to double in size. I left mine for about 40 minutes to 1 hour depending on your location. So here my donuts are ready. I'm ready to fry them. In my hot oil, I'll be adding my donuts. It shouldn't be sizzling hot, but rather moderately hot. So once the other side is cooked, I'm going to flip and allow the other side to cook. I made this small twisted donut from the remaining dough, and I got about 8 large pieces of donut from this recipe. Yeah, so it was so soft, so fluffy, pillowy. It was indeed amazing and yummy. This is one of my recipes that I use in making donuts. Bye.